Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the 5 chord. The 5 chord. The 5 chord is known kind of as the power chord. And don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, the 5 chord we're going to do is the E shape or the 6-string power chord. And basically, a major chord is your first, third, and fifth. And what the power chord is, it's just your first and fifth. So in this example, we're going to go over the G5 power chord. So this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. So what we'll do is, on your 6th string, 3rd fret, with your index finger, play that, and that'll be your G. Then, on your 5th string, 5th fret, with your ring finger, that will be your D. And then on your 5th fret, 4th string, with your pinky finger, that'll again be another G. And right there is your 5 chord. And again, in this scenario, it's your G5 chord. So work on playing it, strumming it, and work on playing those notes individually to really get it down. Again, that's your 5 power chord. Hope you enjoyed the video. And don't forget to check out my other videos.